don't know what key I used to do this in or what. The train was waiting at the platform, and having just paid for his fares, a young man running down to catch it tumbled headlong down the stairs. His mother waiting on the platform, straight up to his side he'd run. She said, "Tell me, did you miss a step, dear?" "No, I hit every bloody one." Walking through the park last Thursday, I saw a sight that turned my head. I saw a most peculiar fellow fishing in a flower bed. Thinking him to be quite balmy, to humour him I said a word. I asked, "How many have you caught, sir?" He smiled and answered, "You're the third." The swallow is a very pretty bird. It flies to us from sunny Spain. It actually comes from South Africa, but that won't rhyme. And when the summer it is over, it flies back home to Spain again. Now one particular swallow chanced to meet this great big hawk. The hawk tore all the swallow's feathers off and said, "Right, you